Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? So, what's the target of Chiliz coin? What's my prediction to Chiliz going up in upcoming days or Chiliz going down, fails down? And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video very important, my friends. So keep watch, don't miss any second because this is very important for you to understand. And upcoming days, what do my friends? They've gone up or they fails down, and what you need to do. Okay, friend, so kindly be honestly. First of all, subscribe our YouTube channel because only 4% people subscribe. You cannot subscribe my YouTube channel, my brother, and this is very bad news for me, especially. Exactly, this is very bad. You please be honestly subscribe it. Okay, thanks for subscription, and also like this video, my brother. Thank you so much, my friend. First of all, I do a prediction, my friend. This is very important. Okay, as you can see here, my friends, they go off like a rocket. This time I draw a line number one, and this is the line number two, my friends. Remember, these two lines is very important, and these two lines show you to they going up in a coming days or fails down, my friend. After a very high jump, they fails down again, and they touch here in April 14. They very badly fails down, and after this, they take a very high jump in upcoming days, my friends. You can see here April 16, they take a very high jump, but after this jump they also fails down, my friend, and they continuously moving up because everybody know to this point is very bad. All crypto market very badly fails down, otherwise they can hit it easily again high jump. But if you can see here in the last 24 hours, they very badly fails down this point, as you can see here. So therefore I hope in this time you can see here they moving up in upcoming days, my friends, very gone up in upcoming days, my friends. So please kindly my prediction is that today go up in upcoming days. So kindly don't sell it. My opinion is to hold it and be safe from any more loss. If you hold it this time, I hope the good time is coming soon, so they give you a very good profit in upcoming days. Please, my friend, if you can see here, this is the point number one, and this is the point number two, and this is the point number three. You can see here this is circulation, my friends. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails down they take a very high jump, and after a jump they also fails down again, my friend. This is the circulation again, you can see here. Okay, so my friends, if you can see here this circulation, then exactly they moving up like a rocket. In upcoming days they give you very good profit. They going off in upcoming days. So if you are invest and this time, I think this is good time. Remember, this is not a financial video, my friend. If you want to invest in research personally, because CLS sometimes fails down and sometimes fails sometimes going up. So I can't say because this is the crypto coin. I can't I don't know to sometime everyone can sell it and they fails down very badly. But a technical analysis, if you can see here, then exactly after this circulation they going up in upcoming days. So thanks for watching. Please, my prediction today going up in upcoming days, and my target as this time you can see here $1 is our latest target. So I hope they can hit it just at the end of this month if they going up in upcoming days. Please, my opinion is to hold. Please hold for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Be honestly subscribe our YouTube channel, keep touch with us. I give you a very latest updates and good news from all cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.